Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Highlander, just did a 30k service to it, and now I'm going to reset the maintenance reminder, so I figured I would show you how to do that as well. This is so freaking easy. Let's go. I'm going to start by putting the key in the ignition and turning to the on position, not starting the vehicle, just on. And we'll see this telling us maintenance is required. So I'll just hit this button until I get to the trip A, and then turn the key back off. Okay, then I'm going to put the key back in again, but this time before I turn to accessory mode, I'm going to press and hold this button while I turn the key and watch what happens. See those lights flashing? 2, 1, and done. Cool. And then let's put it back to odometer for the customer, 62157. Okay. Okay, and that's literally it. So now it will just come on next time another service is due. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped. See you in my next video. Okay, bye. Gonna start by putting the key in the ignition. Whoop. Gonna start by putting the key in the ignition.